Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're in Mullins, West Virginia. Maybe that's the Taggart River? Not real sure. Don't quote me on that. It's either the Taggart or another river. I don't know. Anyway, I don't live down here. I don't know what we're doing today. Besides trying to figure out what kind of river we're on. What river we're on. This little travel trailer behind me, the folks called the other day, and we've had a lot of rain, and they had a rain leak. So we're down here today to see if we can find it. You know, rain leaks sometimes I can find them, sometimes I can't. They're tough. They're tough to find. So I'm always up front with people. I say, you know, I'll do the best I can. That's all I can do. So let's get the ladder out, get up there, and see what's going on. Because it's coming out inside at the ceiling, where the ceiling and the wall meet, and it's running down the gimp, and they're catching it in a towel there on the bedside countertop table thingy. So let's see what we can find. All right, let's go up and see what's up. Will we be able to find it? Don't know. We're gonna find out if we can find it. Oh, looky here. Found it. Painfully obvious where our leak's at. Alright, I love it when we find a leak. So this is Dicor. This is definitely Dicor, because thumbnail leaves an indent. Okay, I'll see that, I hope. So definitely Dicor. So now, I think we all know that. I'll tell you what, let me jump up here real quick and see if that piece of trim's loose, that cap trim. Now, I don't really think it's loose. There's just not a ton of structure in there. There's no cabinets or anything directly under that. So we're just going to go over it with some Dicor. It might be better to pull that cap trim up, clean all that sealer off, put the cap trim back down, but there may be nothing to put it to. There may not be any structure in there. We're not going to take the roof apart today to put structure across there. So we're going to patch it up as best we can, and we're going to move on. So, and the reason I think there's probably no structure in there is because here's the last roof truss. All right, and the only cabinets in this thing are in the very corners. So there is probably just nothing under here. Whatever they're using for deck, whether it's 1/4 inch Luan or 3/8 or 1/2 inch OSB. It's probably just the end of it. There's probably nothing under there. Would be my guess. Okay, well, probably gonna go over this way a little bit too. It's starting to look like it's cracking. pretty cool day here in southern West Virginia. Probably a little too cool for Dicor, but we don't have much of a choice. We can't leave that open. So there's no structure under there. I guarantee that's what's going on. This should, this roof should come apart. The cap trim taken off, the side trim down some, peel that fiberglass back, go under there and put some kind of structure under there to screw this to. That would probably be the proper fix, but like I say, we can't do that today. So we're just gonna spread a little Dicor on it, and we're gonna call it good. And yes, this is self-leveling, but I kind of like to do it myself. Make sure there's no bubbles in it, and it is a pretty cool day, so just help it self-level a little bit. So I guess it's assisted leveling on a cool day, right? Not self-leveling. So it appears to be bonded to the roof just fine, and it's bonded to the trim. It's just where there's no structure under there, this is allowed to give too much when the when the camper warms up and cools down, and the weather warms up and cools down. Now the rest of this looks just fine, so I am not going to bother it right now. I did see a place back here on the skylight that needs a little bit of attention, so we're going to go back and do that. I think that corner right there needs a little bit of attention, but everything else looks okay. Maybe a little bit on that piece of corner trim. It's not bad. This probably wasn't an issue here, but I just want to make sure it wasn't an issue. And a little place on that corner right there. I went and just done that seam all the way across, because as I was going down the ladder, I seen another place right over there that was bad also. So I just went and did the whole thing. And I believe that's just going to be just fine. I know this is a short video, but y'all get just fine. Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Let me know what you would have done. You mobile guys, would you went, oh gee, I'm gonna have to come back and I'm gonna be here all day, and it's gonna cost you, $1,500 or something to fix that little leak? Or would you just done what I just did? So as always, thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna go up road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.